You buy on credit, receive the invoice, and pay next month. But where does that invoice get recorded today? The Purchases Daybook. The Purchases Daybook is a simple running list of every single credit purchase you make, written up straight from the invoices your suppliers send in to you. Sales invoices go out, purchase invoices come in. Same idea, opposite direction. Every invoice you receive gets its own row. Each invoice becomes one row: the date, the supplier's name, the invoice number, and then the amounts. Nothing clever, just an organized list. The money splits across 3 columns: net, the purchase itself; VAT, which you can reclaim; and gross, the total you owe. Say Jones Limited invoices you £300 net. VAT at 20% adds 60, so gross is £360. At the end of the period, you total up every single column. Those totals, not the individual rows, get posted across to the ledgers. Each supplier's gross amount goes to their own individual account in the purchases ledger, and the column totals post across to the general ledger. Credit purchases only. 1 row per invoice, net plus VAT equals gross, totals posted to the ledgers. That's the Purchases Daybook. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses, taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.